Like how do you like break through the, you know what I mean? The mask or whatever.
Yeah, it's tough because the people are brainwashed in this, not just schools, it's society is brainwashed that you know, debt is bad. But that's the number one factor that separates the wealthy and, you know, the upper class from the middle and lower class is debt. Wealthy people don't pay cash for stuff. They borrow money to buy assets that produce cash and grow in value. So if you borrow money, go into debt to buy something, and that something produces cash, and use that cash to pay off that debt, it's self-sustaining. So you're not using any of your own money. But then with real estate, it grows in value. Like, you know, Amazon or Facebook, those companies don't pay cash for things. They started out with debt, angel investors, or, you know, or borrowing money from banks. Borrowing money is not a bad thing if you're using that money to produce cash, and, you know, to buy assets that produce cash. If you're borrowing money to buy something that doesn't produce cash, of course, that's stupid. And that's what people try to avoid. And that's what you're taught not to do. But how are you expecting to create financial freedom going to work for somebody and putting money aside in an IRA, or, you know, paying cash for things? It's just not physically possible. The only way to do it is to scale up and borrow money, but borrow money and buy something that produces cash and grows in value. And real estate, in my opinion, is the best thing to do that in. And that's the only way you're going to actually make an impact.